Hi guys, in this video I want to go and give you a quick setup for a Discord server with all the basics, with some bots. It's pretty easy. Let's go. To create a server, you go to the plus sign and click on add a server, and then you go to create a server. Click on here. So first of all, you go and create, well, you can give it a server name. I just keep it for now. You can give it a icon, but I don't want to do this right now, so just click create. So here you can go and invite a friend or send him just a link, and then he can go and join your server. So we'll just go and click it away. So in here you go and get two channels. It's text channels and voice channels. When you're in text channels, you just can type and stuff, or when you're in voice channels, you can talk with other people. Let's go and add some channels. For that, you create a channel, and let's go and call this welcome. For sure, a welcome room. Then we need a rules room, so you can go and write in there all the important rules that people should know when they join your Discord. And let's go, maybe news announcement, whatever. Let's go with news. Then you click on there and we make a videos channel for, of course, everyone can go and share videos. Thing I don't like really, it's, let's go a meme channel. Let's create a, sure, you want to go and have a moderator channel, moderator room, and also a room for your admins. There. Let's go for a live stream room, live streams. Also, we should go and maybe make a games channel. Oh, and a music channel. So click create. That's all the text channel we have so far. Okay, now let's go and create some voice channels. For that, we, well, maybe keep it general, but so click on voice channel and let's go for, let's say gaming. Gaming 2. Let's go make 3 channels, like gaming 3. And by the way, if you typed it wrong, like here, I want to go and edit channel and type in 2. Save changes. I go back and go to here and get it right. Now let's go and get them all into one category. Well, later we go and add some more voice channels, but for now, right click on an empty blank space, right click and create category. Let's go with welcome. So create category, and here you have now a new category. We go and you can go and drag in the welcome channel into the welcome category. Also rules. So when people join, they get on this category first, so they can read the rules and they will be in welcome, I think so. Let's go and make a second category. So create category and call this, like, let's call it just news, whatever. Do it news now, and in here I drag the videos, then I drag in the news and the live streams. So let's say you don't want to go, and when you join you don't want to be on the bottom here, so you go and get the welcome channel and just drag it up to the top. The same you do with the news. There you go. So we got this. So let me go forward, create some channels, and we'll be back in a second. Let's go and give it a bit more, like a better look here with all icons on the side. So for now, let's go to welcome. Let's go to welcome. So click on here and right click, edit channel. And for Windows, you can get emojis, an emoji keyboard. you click the Windows sign plus period. There you go. Here you get all crazy emojis you can put on, and I just want some hands. Where's my wavy hand? Is this a wavy hand? Okay, this seems a wavy hand. Okay, so click on here, and now we have a welcome. So just save this and go through all your channels you want to go and add a icon to it. I will do this now and be back in a second. Alright, now I got some icons done, but it takes a long time, so you know how to do it, and I will continue with that when I'm done here. So now let's go and set up some rules. For that, you go to the top here and click here, and we go to the server settings. And here we go to rules. So there you can go and set up a lot of rules, but let's go create a member rule. So click the plus sign, member. So now you can go give this rule a color, maybe like a bluish one. And here it's lots of settings. When you go and read the description, it says everything, but I would like to go and click on display rule members separate from online members. So when you're a member, it shows with the color and the name that you are a member in the chat. The first one you will go and do with every rule you're going to set up here. For members, it's pretty clear. You don't need to check any of these. You know why they should go and manage your server or rules or whatever. So you can go and scroll through here and read all that, but I don't change anything here. Alright, so when we got this, we go to the moderator. Let's create rule. Moderator. So for, like I said, every rule you can display this one here, and let's go give it a color. This looks good. This looks very good. So well, I don't want to give him administration. I just give it to friends. They can go and read the authored logs. Why not? It's a moderator. Moderators you just give really to people you trust really good, okay? So you can go and check manage channels, manage rules, and manage server. If there's someone you don't trust, you can go move stuff around, you can change names and everything. Also, he can kick people, he can ban people. Also, we want that he can manage nicknames if people go and name them really weird. Also go and manage emojis. Sounds good. So I really want to go and that he can delete messages. So manage messages for sure. If we go further down, sure, I want that he can go and move members, def members, and he can mute them. So we got that. Save changes. Next, we go and make a new rule and called it admin. So let's give it a beautiful green color here. Also, you can switch here the rule stuff. It doesn't matter really, but so let's give it the first, of course, to display like every rule gets. And here it's very cool. You just need to click administration, and that's for, yeah, he can do now everything on the Discord. You don't need to check everything because he can already do everything. So let's save changes. So next we go create a new rule called bot. The bot is just for doing normal tasks like saying hello or other, say something in text or whatever information. So give it this color. Okay, so give it the color. Also give it the first settings here like this, and leave it everything like it is. Save changes. And now we got lots of rules already. Let's say you got some new one on your Discord. You just get right click and then you go to rules and set the rules here. I don't need to do this because I'm already the owner of the Discord, but if you have a friend or whatever, you want to do some him as admin, you get him admin. If you need some people that control the Discord on some channels, you give him moderator. Member is like when he's longer than 1 second there. Yeah, so that. Okay guys, this was part 1 of the setup for the Discord server. Part 2 will be uploaded, published, or is already uploaded. Check it out. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.